못 만나지. 나는 서울에
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we aren't just eating, we are embarking on a flavor pilgrimage. We are at the taco booth, a place that has been buzzing all over social media. If you are a fan of bold, messy, and unapologetically authentic Mexican-inspired soul food, you are in the right place. As you can see, the vibe here is electric. The napkins say the taco booth, and the plates tell us we are in for something supreme. I've ordered two of their heavy hitters today. Let's dive in. First up, look at these beauties. These are the legendary birria tacos. Just look at that color. That deep sunset orange isn't just for show. That's the result of the tortillas being dipped in the beef fat before being griddled into the perfect crisp. You can hear the crunch just by looking at them. Inside, we've got slow braised beef that's been simmering for hours until it basically melts. If you look at it too hard, they've packed them with melted cheese. That cheese skirt on the edges is pure gold. Now, the secret weapon. We have two dipping sauces here. We've got creamy white sauce, likely a lime crema to cut through the richness, and a vibrant red salsa for that kick up the heat. And don't forget that squeeze of lime. It wakes up all those heavy savory flavors. It's salty, it's fatty, it's crunchy. It's basically a hug in taco form. Moving on. Moving on to something a bit more refreshing, but just as bold. Check out the square pan on the left. We have massive, thick cut golden tortilla chips. These aren't just your thin grocery store chips. These are sturdy enough to hold a mountain of toppings without snapping. And on the right, plump, juicy shrimp swimming in a zesty, citrusy man-made. It looks like a variation of a killer on a warm shrimp cocktail. You can see bits of red onion, cilantro, and maybe some cucumber in there. The acidity from the lime juice cooks the shrimps and creates this bright, tangy broth. The move here is simple. Grab a chip, load it up with a couple of those shrimp. Make sure you get some of the liquid and go for it. It's the perfect contrast to heavy birria tacos. It's cold, it's spicy, and it's incredibly fresh. Final thought. The taco booth isn't playing around. You've got the deep, savory, greasy in a good way experience with a birria, and then you can cleanse the palate with a bright citrus shrimp. It's 10 out of the 10 flavor combo. If you ever in neighborhood and you can see the welcome to shrimp, right? Sign you yourself a favor. Park the car, grab a seat, and get it to use up a lot of napkins. Trust me, it's worth with mess. And also, we are satisfied with those menus. We decided to order more. That is Korean's comfort food, ultimate soul food, tteokbokki. Look no more fur than a tteokbokki. Just look at the vibrant, glossy, and red sauce. It's total feast for the eyes. Even if I live here for a long time, it's so spicy. It was really. The star of this show is stock, this chewy, and rice cakes that you have a texture like nothing else in the world. By the way, it was too spicy, so spicy. They are soft, bouncy, and perfectly chewy. They swim in a thick, savory, sweet, and spicy sauce made from gochujang. But it's not just rice cakes. You will often find these slices of fish cakes, boiled eggs, and crunchy scallions mixed in. The first bite gives you a hit of sweetness, followed by the savory umami punch. Then, a slow, satisfying heat that warms you up from the side out. It's chewy, spicy, and incredibly addictive. One bite, and you will understand why this is undisputed king of Korean street food. Honestly, it's just snack. It's obsession.